Welcome to Sew with Teresa, a sewing channel where I share sewing tips, sewing tutorials for fashion designers, for those who are learning to sew, for beginners, for even those women who are at home and are wishing to sew confidently, for those who have outrightly left sewing for one reason or the other. I'm here in this video to encourage them, to inspire them to come back to their sewing niche. The reason this video is going to be appreciated if you watch to the end is that I am speaking from experience. I came to this YouTube. I returned from a long period of 8 years of absence. I thought I had left finally. But one thing led to another, and I came back. I dressed in the same way. As a nurse whom I am, I dressed in the same way to express my wish to remain on this second journey. I call it a second journey because when I came the first time, I never knew I would leave. Some bit I left. Reasons I didn't know. But you see, when I came back in full swing. I did a video where I told all the viewers and anyone else who cared to listen that I have come back to do content creation in full swing, and I have done it for the past 6 months. Now in this video, I will tell you the things I have done that have impressed me myself. I have seen the results. And the reasons the results are coming, which I count successful, which I count as determination, are things I have achieved through perseverance, through compliance, through research, through efforts. All of these comprise what you call determination. Don't ask me what I stand to gain. The joy of returning, being able to return, being able to decide to stay, this time saying, come rain, come shine, I will remain a content creator on YouTube platform. Now I continued. I didn't know how to create thumbnail. I didn't know what playlist is. I didn't know how to edit. I didn't know what all these things mean for YouTube growth of my channel. But you see, I started. On YouTube, I will go, write how to blah, 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 blah. When I'm overwhelmed with a certain difficulty in carrying out a certain activity here to achieve something, when I am overwhelmed with that difficulty, I go back how to, even when I'm trying to watch all the videos that appear to be answering my question, I still was stuck with not doing it well, not understanding all they meant. And then I'll tell you the reason. I was doing YouTube everything with my phone only. And so over time, when I clicked to do certain things, I would see where they said I'm restricted because I have not unlocked advanced features. I wondered again, which one be advanced features? Over time again, I got to know that those things are possible on a desktop if you have a laptop. I also got to know that when I was doing some videos, There was so much noise when I upload the videos. It was frustrating the owner of this channel. So I wondered how much the viewers will be pissed off. I got to know that could also be the reason I was not getting views. Or, yes, you were getting views, but your audience retention was also not impressive. Your click-through rate was close to nothing. Okay? Now I went again to YouTube. I asked, what the implication of getting views and not getting all of these rising also, you will see those green lines, those green circles. When things are written in green on your analytics, to YouTube, they are impressive. You should be clapping for yourself. So that elementary part of it, I was getting it. I call that growth for myself. I don't know what you think about it, but I am here in this video to remind you that when you do the things you are supposed to do, simple as they may sound, as requirements, they are personal requirements for you from YouTube, you will grow. This YouTube is telling you, encouraging you that please stay. Like I said when I did that video on my return journey, I said, don't go, stay here. That was the title of it. And by the way, talking about title, then I also didn't know how to put a title up, how to make what you are writing a title, a searchable title, how to get the reach. I didn't know the difference between a long video and the shorts, and so on and so forth. If I tell you the very many things I've learned by sticking to YouTube content creation, if you don't clap for me, I will clap for myself. I now know the difference between when you do a video on landscape horizontally and when you do it vertically. I now know the one you should do when you should do. If you want a long video form, you must do your video horizontally. It comes like that. I also know that from YouTube requirements and all of that, there are qualities that a video you have uploaded will have for them to publish it as a short video, a short or a long form video. I learned those things by sticking to my content creation determination. So if you have watched this video to this point, do me that favor, I call it favor, of subscribing to this channel, because if you follow me, you will get more easy counsel on how to grow your channel based on any niche you have come to display here. I am sharing a lot of my knowledge on the sewing niche. Sew with Theresa. Stay on, don't go. Be compliant. Watch other veterans, I call them big creators. Watch their videos. Run with one knowledge or the other. Keep practicing. Keep doing. It's about doing. Just like in the Bible, you hear that only the doers will eat of the fruit of the land. Keep doing. Stay here and be determined. If you have a passion for your content creation on YouTube in particular, please stay on. And it is a place that when you stay, you must be compliant, because the rules here are straightforward. You can't twist any. All you do is obey the rules and eat your own fruit. Reap your fruits. Reap good fruits. Please don't go. Don't quit. Stay. Take what I have said today. Try it and thank me later. I remain Sew with Theresa. Follow me for more tips on sewing, on how to grow your channel. I'll come back with more tips of the things I've learned that have kept me stuck onto YouTube channel. Goodbye.